Hi everyone, my name is Nargis Nasreen and we are here to solve another question on SQL, and today is day 28 of solving 100 questions on SQL. So today we are going to solve this question, that is activity rank, and this question got asked in Google. So let's quickly see what is the question. So the question is, find the email activity rank for each user. Email activity rank is defined by the total number of emails sent. The user with the highest number of emails sent will have a rank of 1, and so on. Output the user total emails and their activity rank. And here are a few conditions given, that is, order records first by the total emails in descending order, then sort user with the same number of emails in alphabetical order by the username, and in your ranking, return a unique value even if multiple users have the same number of emails. So in this question, what we have to do, we have different users and they have been sending emails. We have to find which user, we have to find the number of emails sent by each user, and then we have to rank them based on the number of emails sent. The user who has sent most number of emails will get highest rank, that is rank of 1. And there is one more condition, that if two user has sent same number of emails, then we have to order it by username, and then we have to assign the rank. Okay, so let's solve this question. So before doing that, let's see what is the table. So let's run this query. So we have this table, that is ID from user to user, and they are the column names in this table. So this is the column that we need, which is telling us that these are the users who has been sending emails. Now, if you see, this is the same user and the records are multiple times because this user has been sending emails multiple times. So what we have to do, for each unique user, we have to find the number of emails sent. Okay. So whenever we have to find something unique, what we do group by. So I'm going to do group by on from user column. And here also I'm going to write down from user. Then I'm going to count it, the number of time it has occurred. It will tell us how many times the email has been sent. Let's name this as email sent. Now let's run this. Okay. So see, this user has sent 15 emails, this user has sent 11 emails, and so on. Now what we have to do, we have to rank the users based on the number of emails sent. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do, we are going to use row number, because if two users have sent the same number of emails, we do not have to give the same rank. If we have to give the same rank, then we will be using rank function. But here we have to give unique rank to each user. Okay, that is why we are going to use row number. So I'm going to write down row number over. Then we have to write down order by, order it on the total number of emails sent in the descending order. So whoever has sent most number of emails will get highest rank. And just one more condition given, if two users has sent same number of emails, then the username which is coming first will get the highest rank. For example, if there are two people, Blake and John, and they both have sent 10 emails, but Blake will get rank 1 and John will get rank 2 because B comes first before J. Okay, so here we have to give another condition, that is order by on DSC and order by count star in descending order, and then from user in ascending order. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so see, this is what we are getting. So this user has sent 19 emails getting rank 1. This user has sent 19 emails again and getting rank 2. So here number is coming first, E is coming later. So maybe because of that, this is how the username is arranged and the ranks are provided. Okay, I think there's a mistake. I have to put this here. And let's name this as argue. Oh, this will not be here. I'm sorry. Here. Yeah, so this is what we are getting now. So now let's see the expected output. So yeah, in expected output as well, we are getting the same answer. It is matching. Now let's submit our solution, and it got accepted. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem. It is a simple question where we just have to find out number of emails sent by each user, and then we have to arrange it and give them rank based on the number of emails sent. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this question. If you have any problem, you can ask in the comment section. If you have more solution to this question, you can put that too in the comment section. If you like this video, keep liking. Do not forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.